Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. Today, day number 42 of Power BI Tax Function series. In this 41 days of previous set of videos, we have discussed different tax functions, and today is the last and final day of tax function series, which is we are going to discuss in the today's session. If you are watching our channel for the first time and feel like you have missed or watched our 41 previous set of videos, not to worry, we have provided the playlist link in our description box. You can go ahead and you can watch it out. Let's start with the today's session, and we are having an important announcement at last end of this video. Please try to not to skip this video so that you will be missing any information. So general important function is the current one which we are dealing with, and in which we have already dealt in the previous videos except function, and this current function is all about intersect function. How this intersect function is going to work and how we are going to deploying in our day-to-day life, we are going to discuss detail in this video. So do not skip this video so that you will not miss any point of information about this particular tax function. Let's start with the today's session. So again, we are going to create a new table, and I'm going to name it as intersect equal to intersect of. You can see again the same, like except we have left and right table, the same syntax we can see able to see it over here, and the definition for this returns the rows of left side table which appear in the right side table, which is almost similar to the except table. The only difference is whichever is not matching will appear over here, but in intersect table whichever is appearing in both the table which is in a common area will be getting it over there. It's similar to the our intersection of tables, or like in our earlier school days we used to study the Venn diagram. That's the same concept which is applied over here on the intersect formula. So what I'm going to create is I'm going to create it with the except and users table. Close the bracket and hit enter. You can see region manager central and crest. This is the my outcome for that intersect table. This the reason is because you can see except table have region and manager central crest, and if I go to users it having all the value, but these three are missing in the except table. That's why it is displaying over here, but in except our case is completely different. Whichever is not displayed in the user data, it is showing in the except table. So this is the difference between except and intersect tax function, and also this is how the intersect function works. Hope you have understood this concept clearly. If you have any questions in this video or previous set of videos, please post your query in our comment box, and we will expect your valuable comment in our video so that we can improvise and provide to you in a better way. The information for the day is, by this video we are concluding the tax function series in Power BI. We are going to start with yet another function or any another set of videos by upcoming videos. Thank you for supporting till the date, and happy watching. Keep learning. Thank you for watching our Gokul Tech. We'll see you in the next exciting video. Thank you and Jai Hind.